Imagine this. A guest opens the door to their room. The bed is crisp, the air smells fresh, every surface gleams. What they don't see is the precision, effort, and professionalism behind the scenes. Welcome to the art of housekeeping.
Whether you're a hospitality manager, a dedicated housekeeper, or someone striving to elevate your property's standards, this video is for you.
Today, we're walking through a detailed, real-world hotel housekeeping checklist built on industry best practices, sustainability, and operational efficiency.
Let's get started.
Why does a checklist matter? Because consistency creates confidence. A guest may forget the brand of soap you offer, but they'll remember the spotless room and seamless experience.
A daily housekeeping checklist doesn't just support hygiene. It strengthens your reputation, streamlines your staff's workflow, and ensures that nothing is missed, no matter how busy the day gets.
Step 1. Preparation is key.
Start with a fully stocked housekeeping cart. Check protective gear, review the cleaning schedule, and prepare your route.
Step 2. Daily cleaning procedures.
From dusting vents to vacuuming under the bed, every inch matters. Wipe down electronics, polish glass surfaces, and disinfect high-touch areas.
Step 3. Focus on guest comfort.
Restock amenities with care. Arrange items neatly. It's not just about utility, it's about feeling welcomed.
Step 4. Eco-friendly excellence.
Use biodegradable cleaning agents and conserve water. Sustainability in hospitality isn't a trend, it's an expectation.
Step 5. Bathroom brilliance.
Scrub, sanitize, shine. From faucets to floors, nothing should be overlooked in this high-scrutiny space.
Step 6. The perfect bed.
Replace linens, align pillows, tighten corners. A well-made bed is more than aesthetics, it's a message. We care.
Step 7. Safety and functionality checks.
Ensure all lights work, locks function, electronics operate. Guest safety is non-negotiable.
Step 8. Inventory management.
Track what's used. Mark low supplies. Digital tools make this seamless. Apps like OptiEye or Alice can cut task time by up to 20%.
Step 9. Guest feedback integration.
Did a guest request extra towels or fragrance-free products? Housekeeping should reflect that, showing attention to detail.
Step 10. Final inspection.
Use your senses. Smell for freshness. Look for perfection. Feel the textures. Then sign off, with pride.
These 10 steps aren't just about cleanliness. They're about elevating experiences, about transforming everyday tasks into exceptional service. Your housekeeping team is the heartbeat of your hotel. Their work speaks volumes, often before a guest even says hello.
Want to go beyond checklists? Train for quality inspections. Adopt green cleaning protocols. Leverage digital housekeeping software. Because in the hospitality industry, details aren't small, they're everything.
Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your team. And check the video description for free printable checklists and the full blog post for deeper insights.